I'm Rita, a software engineer working with an IT firm in the garden city of Bangalore. I was leading a very healthy lifestyle, and I was the swimming champion in my college days, and I loved participating in the marathons conducted in the city. Suddenly, one day I developed serious breathing problems as I ran. Initially, I ignored the condition, but when one day I almost collapsed with an uncontrolled cough after just few miles of jogging, it raised an alarm in me. I immediately rushed to the physician in my locality and was diagnosed with asthma. I kept wondering what must have led me into this condition. I got an answer to it when my doctor took my complete medical history and after doing some tests confirmed that I had an allergy to animal fur, which triggered my asthma. Although I don't have pets, but my best friend staying next door got a pug called Wally few months ago, with whom I used to play almost every day. Staying away from Wally was a big punishment for me. But one day, when I ended up in an emergency room after uncontrolled asthma attack, I started taking my condition very seriously. My doctor advised me an asthma action plan to control my asthma. It started with avoiding the common triggers of asthma, which included all the pets, including Wally, and the other common factors of asthma like dust and pollens. This was a very big challenge for me, since the pollen count in Bangalore is very high. My doctor had advised me 2 different types of medications to control the acute symptoms of asthma and to soothe my swollen airways. I sincerely followed the steps mentioned in the brochure given to me by the doctor on the right use of the inhaler, which directly delivered the medicine into my lungs for prompt relief. I followed the nutritional tips suggested by my nutritionist and started avoiding all the high-calorie foods and other food items with extra preservatives and additives. My doctor also suggested to me nutritional supplementations of minerals and vitamins to boost my immunity, since viral infections, which are very common in Bangalore, can trigger asthma. For the past 1 year, I have been living almost symptom-free and started gaining confidence to once again start my exercise regime. My goal was to run for the annual city mini marathon again, which I missed last year due to my asthma. I started slowly working towards it with slow and steady aerobics exercises, which helped me develop my breathing and heart capacity. As suggested by my doctor, I started increasing the intensity of the exercises for a couple of minutes, then slowed down the speed, then increased the speed once again. Then arrived the D-Day, 30th September, the annual city marathon day. A goal I set for myself, fully aware of the obstacles I had to overcome. I kept the quick relief medicine handy and started to run. I took much more time compared to others, but on that day, I finished a marathon. I am in control of my lungs. I do not allow my asthma to tell me what I cannot do. I have asthma, but I am a marathoner.